If you've been wondering how to cancel your Beehiiv subscription in 2025, you're in the right place. Maybe you're switching platforms, or maybe you just need a break. Whatever the reason, today I'll walk you through the fastest, cleanest way to fully cancel your Beehiiv subscription so you don't get stuck paying for something you're no longer using. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Beehiiv website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Beehiiv gives you multiple sign-in options, but the easiest one is usually sign in with Google. Select the Google account tied to your Beehiiv workspace or enter your login details if needed. After you're logged in, look again to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, choose Account and Security. This is the main area where Beehiiv keeps your account controls. Now, here's the important part. Canceling your subscription in Beehiiv isn't done through a standard billing button. Instead, Beehiiv links your subscription directly to your workspace. That means deleting your workspace will cancel your subscription and remove your account profile altogether. So before moving forward, make sure this is really what you want. If you're ready, click. Take me to my workspace settings. A new page will load with different options related to your workspace. Scroll down until you find Delete Workspace. Once you click it, Beehiiv will show a confirmation prompt. This is their safety check to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. If you're certain, click Delete again. And that's it. You've officially canceled your Beehiiv subscription and removed your workspace from the platform. If you ever decide to return, you'll need to create a brand new account and workspace from scratch. But the door is always open. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, clear tutorials.